There are certain aspects in synastry that indicate difficulty in a relationship, and so I want to go over a few of them just so you know what to look for. When there are difficult aspects, so this means an opposition or a square between one person's Sun and another person's Saturn, this could be difficult for the two to get along because the Saturn person seems to be kind of critical of the Sun person, and the Sun person feels like they can't have any fun around the Saturn person. Although the Saturn person's intentions aren't negative, it can feel like the Saturn person is pushing the Sun person way too hard to work harder and take responsibility so that they can achieve what they want to. And the Sun person really just wants to have a good time. They don't want their partner to be a teacher. They want somebody who can be their equal. When there are difficult aspects between one person's Mercury and another person's Neptune, this can lead to communication deteriorating, and sometimes the Mercury person feels like they can't clearly explain how they feel because the Neptune person will never understand. And the Neptune person just feels like the Mercury person doesn't understand them at all, not just with communication, but who they are as a person. When there are negative aspects when it comes to one person's Venus and another person's Pluto, this can lead to an unhealthy obsession between the two. They want to be around each other all the time, but it doesn't necessarily mean that they should be. And oftentimes the Venus person feels like they don't have enough space from the Pluto person. Finally, when there's negative aspects between one person's Mars and another person's Saturn, this can kind of create a competitive energy between the two when they're constantly trying to outdo each other. You know, sometimes this can be a good thing as both parties are pushing the other person to be better, but it can lead to arguments and disagreements, and this is not good for a romantic relationship.